Hi everyone, this is Norma with All My Crochet, and today I have an unboxing and review from Victoriamoon. They are a 5D diamond painting company, and they contacted me via email asking if I can do a review on their diamond painting kit. And I've never done it before, and I have been interested in making one, and I just never took the time. And since they contacted me and told me that if I can go to their website, pick one out. They would send it to me and to do a review for them, an unboxing, and show you guys how to do this. So I did. I went to their website, and believe me, they had thousands of paintings to choose from. So many. I was like overwhelmed because there was just so many, but I just loved all of them. There were so many that it was so hard for me to choose. They have Christmas ones. I know Christmas is around the corner. They had all kinds of Christmas scenes, Santa Claus, Christmas trees. They had waterfalls, flowers. They had portraits. I think even Elvis was there. They had just so many to choose from. So go to their website. I am going to leave the description. I'm sorry, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And they're also providing you with a 10% discount code. I will leave that in the description as well. Go check them out because they have so many to choose from. And I'm super excited. I can't wait to get started. I know this is going to be very addicting, to do. So this is how it came. It came packaged in some, I don't know, black wrapping that they put it in. And when I took it out of the wrapping, it came like this. DIY 5D diamond painting. Okay. Shows you here a little bit of instructions. It just kind of shows you what to do and how to make it a little there. And then these have shiny beads. Number 1, no ironing. So this is very interesting. So obviously I've never done it before. I believe the canvas is a sticky back canvas. So it says no ironing right there. Okay, let me open this, show you what we get inside. Pull this out, and it's a very big canvas. Look at that. Very large canvas piece here. Put it this way. As you can see, I'm going to unroll it, and it's fairly large. This is a really, really big one. So this is what you get here. This is what comes in when you unwrap it. And you have all these pieces that come inside of your diamond painting kit. So right here you have a tray. It comes with some tweezers. This is a tool to help put the little diamond drill bits on your canvas. Some wax, and I think this is some little additional sticky, if you need double-sided sticky piece, if you need some additional, I guess, I don't know. And then here's another tool that they sent, a very pretty one. I like that tool, very nice. And then they send you all these diamond drill bits. Look at that. Oh my God, so many of them. A lot of black because what I chose, the background has a lot of black. So look how many are in there. A lot. And then these are all of them right here. Take out a couple of them here to show you. Now when you go to their website, you can either choose square or round. Now again, I've never done it before, and I chose square. So I'm not sure what's easier to make, if it's a difference or not, but I chose the square ones. Now I like this because it comes with a resealable bag, and it has the number or the label of what number this is. Okay, some of them come, from what I've seen, because again, I've never bought one, but from what I've seen other people, their videos, it doesn't come in a resealable bag. So once you open it, you got to find something else to put them in. So I like that it's in a resealable bag, so they all store back in here when you're done with, that particular symbol or number. So this is all of them right here. I'll put that to the side. Let me show you this. It comes with this chart right here. And this chart here, there is 29 colors. So that's what my canvas has. It has all the symbols right here. And then on the other side here, it's all the numbers that pertain to that symbol. So as you go along, you look for the symbol, you look for the color, and then you start. So it gives you this extra chart right here. Let me put this to the side so I can show you here the canvas. Let me turn this around here. As you can see, it's fairly big. Very, very big. So this is the image that I got right here. Let me show you. I got this unicorn right here. That's what I got. So you can see there's a lot of black in it. That's why my diamond pieces had so many black, because it's a lot of black in the background. And then on the canvas here, it also gives you the symbols and the numbers right here on the canvas. And this is a 70 by 50 canvas. So I believe they have different sizes that you can choose from. Smaller pieces, bigger pieces, I'm not sure how big. I think they go fairly large. Check out their website. Again, this is called Victoriamoon. And again, I will put their link in the description box along with a discount code so you can check them out. They have, I'm telling you, so many images. There's so many that I wanted to choose, but obviously I only picked this one right here. So I'm going to do another video and I'm going to show you how to get started in the next video, and then I will continue making it and I will show you what it looks like at the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, go check out Victoriamoon and see if there's something that you like. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you went there and you picked something, you bought something. Again, there's a 10% discount code. It's always nice to get a discount when you're buying something. So please check them out. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one to show you how to make it. Thank you.